Now at the end I want to explain you two additional functions that our weld scanner also has. Number one is a so-called scope mode. Scope mode, that means we will sample the data not with 100 measuring points in a second like in the normal logger mode, but in the scope mode we store the data with 6400 measuring points in a second. That means if you have, for example, a short circuit process, you can see the short circuits, you can zoom through the data, you can make a time scroll through the data. That means you have all possibilities for evaluating the welding process. That means every time when a technician cries for an oscilloscope, for a digital storage oscilloscope, he can also use very easy for all the welding parameters the weld scanner. And last but not least, function number 3 or mode number 3 of the weld scanner is the so-called calibrator mode or calibration mode. In the calibration mode, the system works as a calibrator. That means you can calibrate with our weld scanner and our sensors your welding equipment, your welding machines. Calibration, that is not other than compare that what a calibrated measuring instrument shows. The calibrated measuring instrument is our weld scanner, and you can compare this data what your welding machine, what your welding power source show for electrical data, for current, for voltage, for gas and for wire speed. Thank you very much for your attention.